Hello friends, today we are going to prepare veg lollipop. I have taken here one large boiled potato. I have smashed it. Then here I have taken a mixture. It contains coriander leaves, finely chopped onion 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon capsicum finely chopped, 1 tablespoon corn and 1 tablespoon grated carrot. I am going to add this into this. Then here I have 1 tablespoon breadcrumbs. Then I am going to add salt to taste. Here I have half teaspoon chili powder. Then here I have garam masala powder 1/4 teaspoon. Now we are going to mix this nicely till it forms a smooth dough. See here, I have mixed this well and made into a dough. See here, I have done this vegetable mixture into a small balls. Now I am going to coat these balls. So first take one ball and dip it in the corn flour paste. Dip this nicely in the corn flour paste. Now put it in the breadcrumbs and coat this nicely with the breadcrumbs. Coat this nicely. See, we have coated this nicely with breadcrumbs. So we are going to do with the rest of all. See here, I have coated all the vegetable balls nicely. Now heat oil for frying. Here our oil is getting heated. Now we will add our veg balls one by one. Keep it in a medium flame. Now once it is golden and crispier, we have to remove it from the oil. See, our vegetable balls are turned to golden brown color. So we have fried our balls. We have fried these vegetable balls very nicely. Now take one toothpick and prick it in one veg balls. And do the same to other veg balls also. Crispy and tasty veg lollipops are ready. Serve it with tomato sauce. Kids love this recipe very much. I think you like my recipe. Please subscribe my channel and click the bell button to get the notification. Thank you for watching. Thank you.